Presently, I'm engaged in a project on the Constitutional Court of Bosnia-Herzegovina. It's tasked with the important responsibility of interpreting and adjudicating disputes relating to the Constitution of Bosnia, which was set up under the terms of the Dayton Agreement, which is the peace agreement which brought an end to the Bosnian War. One of the questions that emerges in designing institutions in divided societies is how to design a court to enforce the terms of whatever kind of constitutional settlement is set up there to manage those divisions. And so policymakers face a number of choices about how to design the court. One choice they may opt for, which was opted for example, in the Constitution in Cyprus in 1960, was very similar to the current arrangement in Bosnia, is to have a court which is explicitly designed to try to safeguard the interests of the respective communities involved, with judges who are there to effectively represent those interests. So that's one choice that can be made. And so part of this project is looking at the consequences of that choice in terms of judicial decision-making and the authority and power of the court and its ability to do its job. Another choice that policymakers face is the tenure of judges. So judges can be appointed on a short-term basis, or they can be given what is effectively life tenure. And in the case of Bosnia, one of the reasons why it's an interesting case study is that that choice was made in both directions. So in the early phase of the court's development, for the first 5 years, the judges were appointed on a short-term 5-year basis. And thereafter, they were appointed on an effectively life term, so mandatory retirement at age 70. So one of the questions that we're looking at in this project really is, does that design choice in terms of the constitution of the court, the composition of the court, have any effect on the behavior of the judges and the court's ability to do its job? So that's an important question that we're looking at.